Attention all engine crew. Attention all engine crew. We will conduct a toolbox meeting in the meeting area. Proceed now.
So, good day everyone. Today, we'll be conducting a maintenance on our main engine, specifically the overhauling of the cylinder heads and the removal and checking of our piston liner and shell bearings. Now, before that operation, we're first going to talk about the possible risks. So, specifically, the possible risks would be falling heavy objects, fingers getting crushed, and other related injuries. So to ensure that we are going to minimize these risks from happening, we must wear the appropriate PPE for the operation. Also, the tool keeper should properly inspect the tools that are going to be used before handing them over. Another thing to keep in mind is that even if the ship is at port, we need to ensure that the main engine is not going to be turned on. So we do this by properly isolating important parameters and also putting a maintenance tag on control panels so that the other crew will be informed. So now I will be delegating the tasks to be performed so that we can easily operate and finish the operation. So first, our chief engineer will be the overall leader, which is Mr. Cuevas, for the whole operation. So, as the second officer, I will be handling the removal of both intake and exhaust manifolds and also the overhauling of the cylinder heads. I will be assisted by our wiper, which is Mr. Lassie. So, as the third engineer, Mr. Corpus, you will be assigned to pull and check the piston liner and the shell bearings. You must record and replace all damaged parts by used spare parts that are available. We will be assisted by our fourth engineer, which is Mr. Espinosa. Mr. Castle, you will also be our tool keeper. So you must record all the tools that are going to be used and deliver them to the work area. Also, Mr. Espinosa, you will help with the measurements of the bolts and nuts that are going to be loosened and deliver the data to our tool keeper. So now let's review of our assigned tasks. So what are your assigned tasks, third engineer?
My task is first to remove and check the piston liner and shell bearings, as well as to replace the damaged parts and use the available spare parts.
Okay, so fourth engineer.
My task is to measure the bolts and nuts sizes and to assist the third engineer for overhauling the cylinder liner, piston, and shell bearings.
Okay, so for you, wiper.
Sir, my assigned task is to assist you in removing the bolt intake and exhaust manifold and also the overhauling of the cylinder heads. And also I'm going to be the tool keeper and going to record all the bolts that are going to be used if you ever take to the working area.
Okay, anything to add, chief engineer?
Okay, so I think the toolbox meeting is well planned. So everyone knows what are their assigned tasks. And also for this operation, we will ensure that our engine is still in a good working condition. So keep in mind that safety is our first priority. So working with the heavy objects, make sure that we will use our working machines, which are the chain blocks. So wear the proper PPE is needed, and I think that is all.
Okay, I think everyone is ready. So now let's proceed to the working area.